got me falling right.
Hello everybody, welcome to Garden Life. Today I will be setting up 2 trellises. As you can see here, I'm drilling 2 holes to put the legs of the trellis inside. As you can see, I'm going to slide the trellis inside of the holes. I have really soft soil, so it goes down pretty easily. With the trellis, I'm also going to plant 2 pink Mink Clematis. Just making sure everything is level. I don't want one side to be leaning and the other side looking all off. All set. Looking good. Now for the next one. I'm basically marking it before I start the drilling, just making sure it's good. So I'm just gonna press it down in the soil. Like I said, the soil is moist and soft, and pull it right back out. And I'll start drilling. Like I did with the first one, just slide it in and push it down. I'm also gonna level this one too. Just wanna make sure everything is on point. Looks good. Beautiful. I think it'll be a little shorter. Now I'm gonna plant the pink Mink Clematis. I live in a zone 7. The pink Mink Clematis is good for zone 4 to 9. Just add some compost in there. What I like to do is put my fertilizer with the compost and just mix everything up, just to give the plant a great start. And when planting clematis, I like to plant it on a little bit of a slant so it can climb a little bit easier onto that trellis. Just a little bit of a slant, a pitch. Okay, this one is all complete. Just a little bit mulch and basically untangling the vines so they can be free. And there go the mulch. Same thing for the second one. And again, these clematis like loose soil. They don't like soggy soil, so you want to make sure you have loose soil. If you want to put a little bit of compost in there, you can do that. Just don't have them sit in water. It will be a disaster if you do.
What is that?
A little compost and all-purpose fertilizer, and it's a go.
It smells really bad. Wow, look at that root system. It came with worms? There's a beetle, a centipede in there.
If you look a little closely, like I said, the pitch, if you look closely, just plant, you can see me plant it on a little bit of a pitch. These clematis can get up to 9 to 10 feet.
It's $5.49 a month.
You can cut it, Trey.
You can go.
Now time for some watering. Give them a good watering so they can start out really strong. Well, here's the finished product. Thanks for watching.